Hello again, let's configure now the second step configuration or the basic configuration. So now we have two things we need to configure. So as you can see here, I have two subnets. The first subnet, which is my network or PNet network, okay, 192.168.174. I need to configure these interfaces, okay, these interfaces to reach the internet. So for example, vbound, and make vbound, vsmart and vmanager to reach the internet. So to do that, we need to configure the IP address in this network, okay. Then I need to create a default route to my gateway, okay. So let's start with vbound. Okay, that's great. So the VH, so maybe someone can ask why the vbound is showing me like a VH, okay. So then there is no issue here. So let's do admin. This is the default credential. Let's create another password. I will do it admin as well. As you can see here is VH, but don't worry, we're gonna change this name, okay. And also we need to go to vsmart. Great, vsmart admin, same, and also gonna ask you to change the password. And for the vmanager, there is one step here you need to know. Okay, admin. So here ask you also to create a new one. Now he asked you available storage, okay. So now we need to choose what? The VDB, okay, VDB, which is 1, okay. And here, would you like to format VDB? Okay, yes, go ahead. Yes, now is starting to create or select the storage, okay. You can let it like this. Let's do one thing before the vmanager is back. We need to configure, before we configure these interfaces, okay, to this network, we need to do one thing. We need to configure the organization name, and also if you want to change the name, and also I need to mention for every device the vbound, where is it, or the IP of the vbound, okay. And also I need to mention the site ID. This is very important, okay. So this is, and also another thing very important is system IP. So let's do it step by step. So I gonna start with vbound. So conf terminal, okay. Then you go to the system, okay, system. First of all, I need to change the name. For example, you put it host name, okay, host name as vbound. Let's do it like this. Host name is vbound, and the organization name, I'm gonna put it HusamNet, okay. And let's do SP or SP organization name. Let's do it the same, HusamNet, okay, great. Then I need to choose the site ID. Site ID is 1, and also system IP. System IP, I'm gonna fix it 192.168.201. Okay, good. Then I need to mention the vbound IP, which is, this is a local. I will put it 192.168.21, and I will say here this is a local one. Okay, so we mentioned the host name, the organization name, site ID, system IP, and vbound. This is what I need. After that, you need to commit your configuration. As you can see here is change it to vbound. It means, so I commit this configuration. Now if we doing show run, you will see vbound 192.200. This is our system IP, site ID is 1, and the organization name, okay, HusamNet, and SP organization name HusamNet as well, and vbound is 192.168.21 is local one, okay. If we're going to show run, you see a VPN 0, because you need to know we have two VPNs. VPN 0, this is related on the transport, and for the management we use the VPN 512. So this is a rule in the SD-WAN Viptela. VPN 512 is for the management, a VPN 0 is for the traffic or for the transport. Okay, so this is all about these interfaces in general. So now let's move to configure the other thing like as we did in vbound. Okay, so maybe the interfaces we move it to the second video. Okay, no problem. So let's go to vsmart. First of all, system, go to the system. Then I don't need to do host name to change name. I would like to keep it as vsmart. Then I will say the organization name is very important, HusamNet, and the SP organization name also HusamNet. Site ID here, let's do it 3, okay, because I'm gonna fix this is all of IP address is 1 here, and all of address here is 3, and all for the vmanager is 2. Okay, site ID and system IP is 192.168.203, and here I need to mention the vbound. So I will say vbound is 192.168.21. Okay, this is what I need. Commit. Let's double check Shauran. Great, I have vsmart 192.203 as system IP, system ID, and vbound, and also the organization name. This is what I need from now. Okay, good. Let's move to vmanager. Vmanager is back, I think. Admin. I hope it's back. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Let's configure it same for vmanager. Conf system. I will keep it the same name, vmanage. Okay. So the thing is, I need to change the system IP 192.168.202, and also site ID is 2, and vbound is 192.168.21. Okay, system. And also I need to configure the organization name is HusamNet, and the SP organization name is HusamNet. Then don't forget to commit. To double check, Shauran. So here I have system host name vmanage and system IP 192.168.202. Site ID is 2, and the SP organization HusamNet. That's good, and also vbound 192.168.21. This is all about how to configure the basic config. In the next video, I will show you how to configure the IPs and make all of these devices to reach the internet. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.